Hey guys, I made a crochet table runner using this yarn. It was supposed to be a blanket or a body pillowcase, but I ran out of yarn. So while I wait for my order to arrive, I'm just going to call this a table runner. I use this 9mm crochet hook. Place the yarn over the hook with the end facing forward. Bring the end of the yarn to the back, wrapping around the longer end. Then bring the longer end over to the front of the hook and pull the yarn through the loop created. This is a slip knot. I brought the longer end over to the front again and pulled the yarn through the loop created. This is the first chain stitch. I made 100 chain stitches. The amount of chain stitches you make will determine the width of your piece. Next, make a chain stitch to start the next row. Then make a single crochet stitch. To do this, go under the first stitch of the row. Wrap the hook and pull the yarn through the loop. Wrap the hook again and pull the yarn through both loops. Repeat this with the next stitch. When you reach the end, make a chain stitch to start the next row. Then turn it over. Go under the 2 loops of the first stitch and make a single crochet. Repeat this with the rest of the row. At the end of the row, make a chain stitch, turn it over, and repeat the steps. I made 23 rows. I didn't have enough yarn to complete another full row. The piece ended up being 43 inches by 8 inches. And here's how it turned out.